Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to find which expression simplifies to a binomial. By definition, a binomial is an algebraic expression that has two terms. So next, I'm going to simplify the first expression and see if it has two terms. To simplify it, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square. First term plus second term in parentheses squared equals to first term squared plus 2 times first term second term plus second term squared. I'm going to apply this formula for the binomial squares x plus 1 in parentheses squared and y plus 1 in parentheses squared. When I do that, this expression equals to 2x squared plus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 squared plus 3y squared plus 2 times y times 1 plus 1 squared. Next, I'm going to open parenthesis and multiply negative 2 by 2x and then by 3y. When I do that, I get 4x minus 6y. When I simplify further and open parentheses again, multiply 2 by x squared is 2x squared, and 2 times 2x is 4x, then 2 times 1 is 2. Next, when I open parentheses, I get 3y squared plus 6y plus 3 minus 4x minus 6y. As a next step, I need to add all terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. In other words, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are 4x and negative 4x, 2 and 3, and 6y and minus 6y. Now 4x and minus 4x is the same term with opposite sign. Therefore, when I add them, its sum equals to 0, or they cancel out. Then I have 2 plus 3, which is 5. I'm going to write the terms now. 2x squared plus 3y squared plus 5. And what I have left is 6y minus 6y. It's again the same term with opposite signs, which equals to 0, or they cancel out. Therefore, 2x squared plus 3y squared plus 5 is the final simplified expression. Now it has 3 terms. Therefore, this expression does not simplify to a binomial. Next, I'm going to follow similar steps to expand the second expression and see if it has 2 terms. Again, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square to expand the binomial squares x minus 1 in parentheses squared and 1 minus y in parentheses squared. When I do that, this expression equals 2. First, I'm going to open parentheses. The negative sign will flip the sign of each term within the parenthesis, because it's the same like multiplying negative 1 with each term within the parenthesis. When I do that, I get minus x squared plus y squared. Then, when I apply the formula, I have x squared minus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 squared minus, in parentheses, 1 squared minus 2 times 1 times y plus y squared. Now, negative x squared and x squared are like terms which sum gives 0, they cancel out. So what I have is y squared minus 2x plus 1. And then I need to open parenthesis and flip the sign of each term within the parenthesis. When I do that, I get minus 1 plus 2y minus y squared. Again, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are y squared and minus y squared, 1 and negative 1. Y squared and minus y squared cancel out because their sum equals to 0. 1 and plus 1 gives 0. They cancel out. Therefore, this expression equals to minus 2x plus 2y. So what I found is that the second expression simplifies to a two-term expression. Therefore, it is binomial. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click to any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.